Hey guys, it's George aka Goldtank GWF here today with another video. So we're playing Pokemon Go at our church again. We have a 5K about to hatch, and we are about to battle this gym and attempt to completely demolish it by ourselves, no matter how much time it takes. Or if I run out of potions, I might choose not to, but bad Grand Ball. Never mind. But look what we're up against. 2,900 and above. A 10-tier gym. Every one of these Pokemon, except for the first one. And no, Tony, I will not chill. I'm going to take down this entire gym by myself. Attempting, anyway. Alright, yeah, let's go with our Rhyhorn, Jolteon, Gyarados team. Let's go that route. See how far we can take it down our first attempt. If we could take down one, that would be amazing. Then we only have to use up 60 Pokemon to take down this gym. Well, probably less. Alright, we're going to use our attack. So I'm going to turn my volume on. That was a horrible idea to be in the middle of the battle. Ooh, I did not see that coming. I didn't know that was a dual attack. Oh, it's a triple. I somehow still got hit by it. Oh my gosh, stop, Snorlax. Like, how ridiculous is that, the amount of attacks it has? Oh well, we can take it down too. Dodge. Alright. Victory. No, not chill. I'm taking down this gym, Tony. That's interesting. Rhyhorn's super effective against Rhyhorn. This is a 2,900 Rhyhorn that we're battling. We're dead. We're so dead. This is a horrible idea. Let's take out a Rhydon. What happened there? My attack didn't do any damage. Or am I just blind? It did do damage. Alright. See if we can get a quick hit in. What happened to our special? Oh well, we got Jolteon here. 2,100 versus 3,800. What? How'd that hit us? Oh well, Gyarados going in. Alright, that's Vaporeon gone. Alright, here's our first Dragonite. Here's our friend Pokemaster Joe. Which I just told him before I got here that I was going to take him out. This is what you get for not being on my team. Alright, we won against that Dragonite. You're soloed and it was 2. Alright, Hunter Steve. Dragon Pulse. It's gonna do Hyper Beam. We gotta dodge it. Come on, where's this Oh, Earthquake. You can't dodge that, can you? Nope. Here's our 2,600 Rhydon. Stone Edge, alright. We're gonna take down the Snorlax right here. Maybe 3,100, but we're gonna take him down. Stone Edge. That should be it. Oh no, he survived a little bit longer than that. Alright, that's victory. Now, A1 catch him. That's pretty awesome. Their username right here. Come on, let's hope we can get our main attack in before we get defeated. Yeah. Do we have any more? No, that's it. We lost. Took down 5,000 prestige, though. And the Pokemon we are going after fled. Oh well, let's check nearby. Nothing good, really. Let's go revive our team. And they've all done well, so we're gonna reward them. Some really good stuff. Alright, there's 2,600. He gets one. Super potions. Alright. Each of them can get one. I don't know, and then we'll go with the regulars. That should finish it off for all of them. Alright, let's see if that did. No. Barely. I don't know, I'm not gonna heal them. They're not too good. We'll go back to the gym. It's already level 9. Pokemaster Joe. And A1 catch. Yeah, we didn't even make it that far in the gym. But I'm determined to take it down. We got more Rhyhorns, go. I don't know why it always puts Grandpa on there. Which, for anyone who hasn't seen my Pokemon already, I named all my Rhydons, like, family names, and then Dawn at the end. Come on, dodge his attack, Alright. Alright, we took down our first one without us taking down him first. Alright, there's his first one. This is not good. Let's switch to Jolteon quick. Alright, that's another one. See if we can take out. Nope, we couldn't take him out. Oh well. They're super effective against us. They're not very effective. We're just gonna power through. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. Yep, I called it. That was a horrible decision. Now we're only gonna take it down maybe 4,000. Take out Gary right here. That's obviously the best move to do. Just because of fast attacking. Dragon Pulse. Let's hit him with another Dragon Pulse. Let's just power through. It'll be faster this way. And then we'll have an attack saved up for the next one. Come on, Gary. You got this. No, he really doesn't have this. He just keep chipping away. Oh, we're dead. Oh, surprisingly, I didn't do too much. But Earthquake definitely can't be dodged. Let's take him down first. Come on, take down Snorlax. Got him. Alright. Let's do a little damage we can to that Dragonite. Alright, we're already dead. There's Donardon. I'm just gonna power through this gym. Oh, I took my eye away for a second. For any of you that haven't noticed the time yet, is like ridiculous time to be playing. And everyone has Dragonites. I still have not even seen them. And I live in the same town as these people. Well, most of them. Probably. That was a crazy move right there. Oh, another 5,000. That was 5 more Pokemon defeated. So I really don't want to use my Master Lives. I'd rather save those. Actually, we're gonna have to use one. But we'll probably end up using them all anyway. Alright, it's a tier 8 now. See, 2,900, 300. Alright. Let's go with the same team. Probably our best option. Start with Grampton again. We can solo this Rhydon. That'd be perfect. Alright, dodge. What we need to do is dodge their special. Come on, do your special. It still hit me somehow. We got time. We got time to win this battle. Actually, I'm not sure if we can win this battle. Let's take it like a man, guys. Yep. Alright, switch to Jolteon quickly. Do our 3 attacks quickly. Oh, that hurt a lot. Oh, that hurt. We should really just switch. Yeah, here we go. We're just wrecking this Vaporeon out. Alright. There's Joe again. Dragon Pulse. Let's see, Dragon Pulse. Well, does he know I already have another one? Perfect, alright. Alright. Continue powering through. Another Dragon Pulse. And we're pretty much dead after this. We won't get the chance in for another attack, most likely. Oh, maybe we will. I was not expecting to get another attack. Alright, Rhydon. All Rhydon. Donardon. There we go. We got Earthquakes. That's bad. Oh, yeah, so it definitely does help the dodge, even though you get another damage. Alright, we have our attack saved up. Alright, we're already dead. We're not very effective. They're super effective. Actually, we're just regular. Well, they're just regular to us. Alright. Our special attack is sure super effective. We can charge this up and take out this Dragonite. Nope, we can't. Not gonna happen, guys. Sorry. Alright, that's that Dragonite out of there. We have our 2600. We can't attack for some reason? Oh, yeah. We thought we were charging up to use that attack. We really should have used the attack anyway. Alright, let's continue on. Power through this gym. We're making it farther than we did before. Oh, Hyper Beam. We're so dead. Yep. That's it, guys. Yep, that's the last of ours. Another 5,000 down. Alright. Time to use up another 6 max revives. I'll probably stock up on revives and max revives tomorrow. Maybe Monday, depending. Looks like our battery's doing okay. Alright. It's down to tier 8. Now it's gonna start going down a lot quicker. Alright. Let's go actually to our combat power list. Yeah, these are basically our strongest. Let's switch out Dragonite, actually. Well, our Snorlax. There we go. Alright. Let's see, what else can we switch out this 2000 for? Yeah, why don't we put in some of our stronger ones? Alright, that one was on. Alright, there we go. We got 3 strong ones. Those. Let's see, I think we have a stronger. Well, a stronger Jolteon, possibly. Yeah, we have a 2200. Let's go with this team, actually. Let's face their Vaporeon. Just slightly more health than it had before. Basically, the only benefit we're getting. Switch out for Snorlax. Alright. There we go. Power through. Our amount of health. Actually, why aren't we using our Blissey? Yeah, why would we not be using our Blissey? Hyper Beam. We're definitely wrecking through this Dragon a lot better. There's Dragon Pulse again. Alright, he didn't hit us directly, so we're alright. Alright, we took him down. Hopefully we don't just die randomly. Alright, we use Hyper Beam. Perfect. Hyper Beam before we get taken out. Perfect. Just as well enough to use the attack. That hurt a lot. Alright, Stone Edge again. Let's continue doing that. It probably picked our Pokemon before based on IV. Continue taking down the Snorlax. Alright, we can dodge his attack. Wait for him to use his special. Alright, use Mega Horn to take him out. Alright. Not very effective versus very effective. Oh dear. We shouldn't have been aggressive. I'm gonna regret that right away. Alright, it's a double, Oh, shoot. We dodged it a little bit. Oh, we missed. We're so dead. Yep. Well, we're on to the 3,100 Dragonite with our Gyarados, which is a good thing. I'm so gonna post this online, and if I hear someone complaining about how the gym finally got taken down, I'm gonna show them this video. No! Hyper Beam! Ah, we didn't get our attack in there. Oh, there's our 2,500 run right here. Let's finish him off. As you can see, guys, if you have potions and stuff like that, even if you're like a couple hundred CP below, or even up to 500 CP below, you know what you're doing and have good enough Pokemon, you can take down higher Pokemon. Oh dear, this isn't good. This isn't good. He's gonna get... I was hoping he wouldn't be able to use time. So we would have taken him down. Yeah, minus another 5,000. It's pretty great. Still tier 8, though. There's a ladybug nearby, actually. Why don't we switch out one of our team? Switch out. Why does it keep putting it to the lower CP ones? I don't know why. It just keeps doing it. Let's see. There's our Blissey right there, but where's our Jolteon first? We're gonna want a double Jolteon team. I don't know, don't think it's a good idea. There's Nurse Betty, gonna be in the first battle of the night. Love that one, specifically. That one's just a tank. It has so much health. We're gonna use it to take down the gym. That's gonna be really helpful, like when you have to start dodging all of these ridiculous, like... Alright, let's wait for the attack. What? That was ridiculous right there. You guys saw that. Come on, use your Hyper Beam. Come on. Alright, we dodged the attack mostly. I think that's how it works now. I haven't done gym battling in a long time. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Yep. Already started the attack, so that's why I couldn't dodge it. Alright, let's see if we can get a Hyper Beam in on this Snorlax before. Dodge there. Hyper Beam. Come on, use it. Actually, we might be able to get in the second Hyper Beam. This could go better than last time. Yeah, we're so dead though. We had to take it like a man. Oh wow. There's no Steady right there. Oh my gosh, what the heck was that move? Dodge, dodge, dodge. I knew it was about time. About time for it to use its special. Come on, use it already. Come on, Psychic. Perfect. Keep fighting. We almost got him. Oh my gosh, we should have been using. Time's up. Oh, Chansey's too slow. That's why. That's why we weren't using her before. Luckily, it won't take too much to heal her up. But we're not going to use her in this fight. Sorry, guys. Alright, let's go 2700, 2600. Then we'll go other 2600, go 2800, then we'll go 2500. I think that's a good enough team. Oh shoot! I didn't realize that Vaporeon still wasn't here anymore. On other news, Blissey and Chansey, don't use them to take down gyms. They take forever if you're trying to beat a Dragonite or something. Alright, I know it has the second charged up. We gotta dodge it. Keep dodging. Come on, use it already. Alright, there we go. Alright, there's a Mega Horn right there. Let's take it like a man. Just zapping. That was surprisingly good, actually. We took down, well, we finished him off. Alright, let's keep going. This will be the greatest, solo gym fight of all time. No, we're dead. Yep. I called it. Oh, wow. Well, right on, finish off the Snorlax. Luckily, we'll be on just down enough health. Actually, let's just take him down with our regular attacks. Yeah, there we go. No use wasting special attack. Stone Edge, alright. That was a good amount of damage, actually. Oh, we should have dodged that. No, we should dodge that. That was bad. Alright. Barely missed that Dragon Ball right there. Barely. You have saved Dan. Alright, Mega Horn again. should be using the attack. Alright, Mega Horn. Perfect. Got that Mega Horn in. Now let's just take our Death like a man. Actually, no. Should be doing Psychic again pretty soon. Let's do the smart thing. Keep dodging. We have time. Take it down. Come on, one more hit. Yeah, there we go. And we're dead. Alright. Get Gary in there. Oh, that's Dragon Claw. That hurt. Dragon Pulse also hurts him. Get it doubling. Oh no, I forgot about that. Forgot. We can take him down. We can just solo him with Gary. That would be perfect. Alright. Super fun. Glad Dragon type moves are what's good against dragons. Alright, we're so dead. Yep. Called it. Alright, we gotta dodge. It's preparing its attack. Alright, there we go. It's used its attack. Gotta beware, because it has another one saved up. Alright, it's preparing again. For sure it has to be preparing. Mega Horn, come on. Alright, dodge the attack. We really just gotta go in. Alright, we gotta dodge. Alright, we take it out. Perfect. We saved ourselves. The 3,400 Dragonite. I think this is the top one, actually. So we've done really well this time. Mega Horn, nope, didn't get in there in time. Yeah, I think that was the last one. We defeated 6 Pokemon, so there were 2 left. It's down at 6,000. Check the Pokestops nearby. Go grab our items. That was a good team, actually. Alright, we need something else with Dragon-type moves. I don't know, maybe we should bring... I don't know. We could do a full Rhydon team. That'd be pretty crazy. Alright, there we go. That's a 6 Rhydon team. With our top one being the one we still need to name. I literally have so many Rhydons, I've run out of names for them. Alright, preparing for its attack. There we go, 3,016. Oh, that hurts a lot. We did not, that was bad. Oh, we're dead. Yep. That wasn't it. I did not mean to click on it. Oh, wow. still gonna take down this Dragonite and be most... Yeah, we're just over halfway to the next special zone. That's Earthquake, we dodged that, perfect. This one's getting easier to dodge for me. Come on, special attack. Alright. Alright, dodge again. Alright, perfect. We're doing good against the Snorlax. There's not too much of a challenge for us right now. Now it's taken out quickly. Charge up our second. Or attack. Alright, there's a Dragonite. Stone Edge. Alright. But just for anyone who doesn't know, this gym, like, never gets taken down. So, I'm doing basically the unthinkable. This gym doesn't change. It hasn't changed in like 6 or 7 weeks. The same people always in it. It never gets taken down. People just gave up. Oh, that was bad. We really should have just kept dodging. But we went in for the special attack. Alright, let's take out Winston's Dragonite right here. Alright. Now, George, don't get greedy. Come on. You have time. Alright. No. Dodge, 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 dodge. No! That was not fair. Did you see that? Just opened up the menu. For no reason. Come on, Megahorn. Get in there. Get in there. Alright, one hit. Literally one hit. Kill it. So that's the equivalent of both of us taking each other out. I really should have put on a lucky egg before doing this. This is giving me a ton of XP. This is horrible. Yeah, why does it keep doing this? Yeah, it's telling me late. It's using multiple attacks? What the heck? You guys saw that? Seems like I'm fighting two at once. Earthquake and Dragon Claw at the same time? Like, what the heck is going on? It's out already. That was a glitchy Dragonite. Let's take out this person resting happy face. Okay, a sad face. When I take them out of the gym, they're gonna be surprised if they find out it was one person. Because no one just solos gyms anymore. We really should have used that special there. Oh well. We lost another 5,000 prestige, another... Well, it's gone down another tier. Now it's down tier 6. Ah. That's horrible. Yeah, that was really weird. How it was doing 2 special attacks at once. I have never seen anything like that happen before. Actually, yeah. Let's have... No, I meant for the 27 to be there. Alright. 6. We have 326? No, we have that one, then... I don't know. Let's put in our 25 right here. I feel like this is a better team to take down the gym right now. But it looks like I'm losing battery quite quickly, so I might have to plug my phone in while I finish this battle. Luckily, I brought a charger, but alright, perfect. We dodged the earthquake. We're in no problem solo this Snorlax. Oh, phew, that was perfect. Perfect. My batteries though. Oh, so that was an Orphan Joe in this gym. I'm definitely sending this video once I go home, back to the apartment. Alright, we got our good friend Gary right here. That was a horrible idea. Alright, is that it for the Dragonite? Come on, yes! No, he survived. One hit, literally. Come on. Alright, we need to get our double dragon pulse in there. Alright, now I'm satisfied with what this Gyarados has done. No, dodge. Alright. Alright, let's finish him off without using... Alright. Alright. Yeah, this is a glitchy Dragonite again. What is going on with this Dragonite? What the heck was that? Yeah, Dragon Claw again. At least it's not doing the funky, like, earthquake at the same time. Alright, here's Resting Happy Face. Let's use Mega Horn. Alright. This is gonna be a tough battle. No, dodge. Dang it. We didn't have enough health left to survive it. Like, seriously, this battle's taking forever. Alright, we just have to power through. You see a special attack coming? Kill it before it does it. Alright, perfect. It's a 3200. Alright, here's the last one in the gym. crazy 3,400 Dragonite. No! I didn't see that coming. Alright. See if we can get this guy taken down. There's our stone edge, alright. All we have to do is dodge or special. And then we have this gym taken down to tier 5. Oh no, 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 no. Finish him off, finish him off. Yes! Got it. We just won, guys. 7,000. That was crazy. This gem is going to be ours. I'm very highly impressed with myself. That last banner right there. 7,000 prestige is crazy. Oh yeah, before I forget, I'm going to set my phone down. And I'm going to grab my charger because I need it badly. Really badly. Because you can't really sit and play for a while and have a recorder on for too long before you need to charge. Alright, here, go here. Charger. We probably have like no battery left whatsoever. Shoot, actually, yeah. There we go. 2,700 goes there. 2,600. 25. Well, our other 2,600. Then 2,500. And another 2,500. Yeah, looks good. Alright. So excited to take down this gem. All that's left is level 3,000 or above. And we will have solo the tier 10 gem, where everything was 2,800 or above. So everything was, well, except for one Pokemon, where it was better than everything I had. Including many Dragonites. Alright, dodge the Hyper Beam. What the heck? I dodged them. You guys saw that? Did it give me health back or something? Oh, let's get the last hit in there before. Alright, perfect. This Gym Siege team that I have going is really good. Alright, we're down. Alright, there's our Gary. Alright, dodge. Oh, that's another Dragon type move. That hurt. Alright, we got them before they could use their second. Let's use both of ours before they take us out. There needs to be like a super achievement for taking out a tier 10 gym by yourself. Even if you are tier 10, it's pretty crazy. And why does it keep doing that? I'm not even clicking down there, I'm clicking on my Rhydon, literally. And all of a sudden it will go to that number. Sorry again, guys. Time 6 still. Alright, perfect. We didn't get hit too much. Both of us are down to half. Alright, 2,600 versus 2,400. Oh, this is the last one already. That's pretty crazy. We're already there? Oh. We overestimated him. Well, we underestimated him. Yeah, there we go. That's it, guys. We won again. Down another 5,000. It's down to 6,000 prestige. That's crazy. And I didn't mean to go there. I meant to go to items. Down to 5 max revives. We lost 3 Pokemon in that battle. I don't think it's worth it to waste another max revive or a max heal on them. We'll just go. We gotta let Gary there for the final one. We'll only need 3 or less because it's a tier 2 gym. Well, tier 3, I think. No, dodge. I found it. Oh, I was not expecting that. Get him. What? You guys saw we used our attack first. That was not okay. Out. He has a second attack. Mega Horn. Alright. Alright, that's our victory right there. Gotta power through, get another special attack in there. We're almost through this gym completely. Looks like Michael hasn't told us he's done yet. Alright, we can take him down. That hurt a lot. Let's just power through, guys. Come on, we can win. Just took it down. Alright. Another 4,000 prestige. Down to 2,000. We have 1 more to go. You guys know what that means. It's time for a solo. We're gonna have Gary solo this amazing Dragonite this person has. Oh, it's still tier 2 actually. At 2,000. I forgot about that. At 37, 38 level, people. Just insane. At that point, what do you do with your life besides play Pokemon Go? Exactly. But I don't know. We'll see if we can solo it. I did not mean to click on battle. Oh dear. But we definitely have enough to battle and defeat. Alright, let's wait for the special. Hyper Beam, watch out. Alright. We dodged the best we could. Alright, perfect. Alright, we got him. That's one of them gone. The 3200, here's the 3400. We beat both of them, they're both out of the gym. We conquered this gym. Come on, second attack, come on. Alright, we didn't get it. Oh well. We have our 2,200 Sundown, aka... Oh yeah, that hurt a lot. But this is gonna wreck him. If it'll work. No, that's bad. We do not have any more. Okay, so we both killed each other. That's it, guys. We've just soloed the Newport Mesa Church Gym. Actually, yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it, guys. We're gonna put Nurse Betty in. And that was one of the hardest gym battles I have ever done. But, what tier is it now? Oh, tier 2. Alright. We just took down that gym. Thank you guys for watching this epic gym battle. It's pretty crazy. I did not expect myself to have enough potions to last through that. So I pretty much used them all. So, bye guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video, or comment any one of the three if you thought this video was epic, and this inspires you to take down a gym, try to solo it. Alright. Also, I would like to show off quickly, before I end this episode, sorry guys, there we go. Alright, Cyndaquil. Check out the amount of candy we have. We have 86 candy already, which is pretty awesome. We have a Quilava, it's not good, but we're just walking it. And we managed to get ourselves, finally, a Togepi. It was the last, well, second to last baby Pokemon that we needed. And now we have it, so we don't need this one anymore. Although we still need to evolve it, which is gonna take forever and be really annoying. So, bye guys.